Vicky. Good morning. It seems you are doing something interesting on your computer.
Hello, Monica. I was about to start working on my social science assignment, but I am confused on how to go about it.
Tell me the topic of your assignment.
My teacher has asked me to mark 4 metro cities in that map.
That sounds exciting. I am curious to see how you perform these tasks using GIMP.
I also need to remove some text and the Sri Lanka portion from the map. Can you help me to do that?
There are multiple tools in GIMP that can help us perform such tasks. Let us explore these tools.
The changes that Vicky and Monica want to make in the map can be done by using the selection tools in GIMP. The Selection Tools panel is present in the Tools menu of the GIMP menu bar. The Selection Tools panel contains many tools such as Rectangle Select and Ellipse Select, which can be used to select an area on the stage. Now, let us explore how to complete our task using the Rectangle Select tool and the Ellipse Select tool. The first task on the map is to remove the text. The text can be removed by using the Rectangle Select tool. The Rectangle Select tool can be activated from the menu bar. Click Selection Tools from the Tools menu on the menu bar. A sub-menu panel appears on the right side. Click Rectangle Select. You can also activate the Rectangle Select tool from the toolbox. Pressing the R key is the shortcut for this tool. The Rectangle Select tool is now activated and the pointer is transformed as shown on the screen. Drag the Rectangle Select tool over the text Political Map of India. When you release the mouse button, the text area is selected. You can resize the selected area by dragging the smaller squares you see at the corners and sides of the selection. These are called handles. The dotted lines that enclose the selection are called marching ants. Now, select Blend tool either from Toolbox or from the menu. The mouse pointer appears as shown on the screen. Select the foreground and background colors for Blend tool as white. Drag the Blend tool across the selection. Drag the Blend tool across the selection. As the background and foreground colors of Blend tool are white, the selected area blends with the white color. As a result, the text is removed. Next, hide the Sri Lanka portion on the map. Using Rectangle tool at this area is not a good idea as it also affects some portion of the India map. Use the Ellipse Select tool to make the selection easy. The Ellipse Select tool is used to select circular or oval objects on the stage. Click the Tools menu from the menu bar and from Selection Tools, click Ellipse Select. You can also activate the Ellipse Select tool from Toolbox. Pressing the E key is the shortcut for this tool. The ellipse select tool is activated and the pointer is transformed as shown on the screen. The ellipse select tool over the area you want to select. An oval area is selected. You can change the dimensions of the selection using the handles. The selection is complete when you click inside the selection area. The marching ants or dotted line appears on the borders of the selection. Now, using Blend tool, apply white gradient on the selection area. Notice that white gradient is applied over ellipse selection that matched with the background of the map, and this hides Sri Lanka. To mark the metro cities, continue with the ellipse select tool and select small circles over these cities individually. To mark Chennai, keep the cursor over Chennai on the map and select a small circular area as shown on the screen. You can adjust the size of the circle as per your need. Select Bucket Fill tool from Toolbox. Select the black color from the Change Foreground Color option. Apply the color by clicking Bucket Fill tool over the selection made. Now you have marked Chennai as a black dot. Similar steps can be followed to mark cities of Mumbai, Delhi, and Kolkata.
Wow, that was amazing, Monica. We have successfully performed our task using GIMP.
That's right. We have more selection tools in GIMP that can help us in other tasks as well.